Welcome back to Story Chronicles. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful and underrated command in Linux, the man command. If you truly want to grow as a Linux engineer, DevOps specialist, or SRE, you must know how to read documentation directly from system. And that's exactly what man allows you to do. The word man stands for manual, and it gives you access to built-in documentation for commands, programs, system calls, configuration files, and much more. Let's break it down step by step. The basic syntax of the man command: man, options, section, number, and command name. Let's understand each part clearly. Options modify how the manual page is displayed. Section number. Specify which manual category to search. Command name. The command or topic you want documentation for. For example, man sleep. This opens the manual page for sleep command. Structure of manual page. When you open manual page, the content is organized into structured section. Not every page has all section, but most follow this standard. Name shows command name and short description. Synopsis display the syntax and structure of the command. Description explain what command does in detail. There could be options, list all available flags and argument, exit status, show the exit codes. Let's bring other example. Man IP. Synopsis, these options, list all available flags and arguments, exit status, shows the exit codes. Examples, provide practical usage examples. There could be also files, mentions related configuration or files, mention related configuration or system files. You can find bugs, known issues or limitation, authors, copyright, credit and licensing information, and some other sections. Let's see again. Main IP. So we have name, synopsis, options, environment, example, exit status, reporting bugs, CLSO. CLSO references related commands. Author and other sections. Understanding this structure makes reading man pages much easier and faster. Linux manual are divided into a number of categories. This is very important. There are three main categories. First, user commands. This is executable shell command. Others, system calls, kernel level functions like open, read, write, library calls, functions from libraries like C standard library, special files, device files, usually in dev directory, file formats, configuration files like etc password, games, the documentation for games, miscellaneous, macro packages and conventions, system administration commands, admin tools like mount IP tables, and kernel routines, internal kernel documentation. Let's clear our screen. If command exists in multiple sections, you can specify the section number. For example, man 3 sleep. This shows the documentation from section 3 only. Let's go through the most useful options. -key, man -key sleep, Search manual descriptions using keyword. Other option. -F man -F sleep. Show section number and short summary. Man -A sleep. Display the path of the man page file. -A display all available manual pages for the command. Other option. -W sleep. This is show the path of the man page file. This is man page file for sleep command. S man -S 3 sleep. Search only within specific manual section. Man IP. When you open manual pages, spacebar, you can enter spacebar to move one page forward. You can type enter, move forward one line. You can type uppercase. You can type B to move backward one page. And you can type Q to quit. Mastering navigation saves time during troubleshooting. There are alternative tools to man. Sometimes man pages are long and complex, so there are useful alternatives. For example, TLDR. Give short practical example. Apropos searches for keyword in manual pages. Info provides hyperlinked and detailed documentation. What is display one-line command summaries. So why man is critical? In production environments, internet access may be restricted, but man pages are available locally. The man makes one of the most this makes man one of the most reliable learning tools in Linux. So that's all for this lesson. If you found this lesson helpful, support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing. More Linux sessions are coming, and we are building toward 100 plus structured tutorials. See you in the next lesson.